Hello everybody, welcome. Thank you very much for joining me again. This video is a bit different from my previous ones, like let's call it channel news part 1 or episode 1. Anyway, first thing, big thank you to every single one of you who subscribed to my channel. I just recently crossed 4,000, which for me is is amazing milestone that you helped me to cross. I know the 4,000 subscribers in the social media, 4,000 followers on Facebook, Twitter, etc., is not a big deal today, but for me it is a big deal, and I'm very, very grateful for everybody who clicked the subscribe button. Second thing, some of the gadgets, some of the things that I still want to test for you, and some of the new gadgets that has been out for everyone to purchase. Some of them are amazing, but I just at the moment, and I don't think that I can keep justifying my expenses to buying these things. So as one of my viewers suggested, I created a Patreon account. I left the link in a couple of my video descriptions, and to my surprise, within a couple hours after the links went live, I received the first patron, which is unbelievable. I mean, someone sign up to become my patron, and I appreciate, and it feels like you're appreciating what I am doing, what videos I'm creating. Some videos might be total BS, and you think this is not working, this is fake, this is clickbait, etc. But I am testing, and I'm trying to help you. Like even right now, this is my Acer i11, which just finished doing power wash from stable channel to a dev channel, because I want to start side loading some Android apps on this device, because, and I'm spending the hours right now, because one of you asked me a question which I think I know the answer. Well, I know the answer that it will work, but I want to test out first. So I just power washed my Chromebook, deleted everything of my Chromebook, reset from to the beginning, and let me quickly log in. So I'm gonna log in, and right now it says channel change, restart to change the channel. So it's now restarting into a dev channel. So I deleted everything on my Chromebook just to try something for one of you who left me a question on Reddit. So that's what kind of distances, what kind of struggle I'm going over just to try something for you. So I hope you appreciating what I'm doing, and you happy about my videos, and you believe that I'm actually helping you, or you think that my information is useful for you, for everyone else. I would like you to support me and support this channel by becoming a patron. I'll leave a link in the description below. It's up to you if you want to do this, and no one is pushing you, no one is encouraging you, no one is forcing you. Just it's your decision. I will appreciate if you become my patron. The last thing what I want to mention, and somehow relates to a patron and etc., is giveaways. Finally, I went one day, looked through all my shelves, and I found some devices like GameSir Battle Dock, GameSir G5 controller, which is probably the weirdest controller I ever owned. And these devices, I got them, but I don't see any use of them anymore. So I'm gonna send them to one of you guys. They're not new, they're secondhand. I use them, etc. But they're still working, they're not broken. Like for example, this one is fully working, it's just I can't find the box. So I created the giveaway for this device, and the giveaway will entry will last for 7 days a week. And if you're watching this video, in the description below you will find the link to a giveaway page. So just go enter the giveaway, and probably you're going to be one of the lucky ones who's going to receive this one. I'll send this to anywhere in the world as long as you have a postal address. So the giveaway, and I obviously the controller will be next, or I don't know what next I'm gonna give away, because I got so much stuff that I just used it for videos, etc. But it's just here gathering dust. And this is where connects to a Patreon thing. If you would start supporting this channel, I will try then, with your support, will try get my hands on some wicked and wonderful gadgets that you can use in connection with Chrome OS. Not Chrome OS, Android OS. What I'm saying, Chrome OS, Android OS. Is it some wonderful gadget that can be used with your Android phone, or a Chromebook with Android enabled, or DeckStation, or your Android head unit in the car? So these gadgets, I found some of the amazing gadgets that I want to get my hands on, but I just can't justify any more spending on these. So as my viewer suggested, one of my viewers suggested, I create a Patreon account. So I hope you will support this channel with $1 a month, and then it's up to you how much you want to support. This will help me to get the hands on the even amazing and more better gadgets, more better devices, etc., which I'll be able to test for you guys before you actually going and spending money. Let's say somebody gonna say, oh, will this monitor work with the DeckStation? And this monitor costs like, I don't know, $300. With you patrons, I will be able to get the hands on this monitor, test this out, and then just give it to one of you guys. But then potential buyer will know that this monitor, yes, it's gonna work, no, it's not gonna work, instead of they going and spending this money. So I hope you're gonna help me over Patreon to get these devices and test for you guys. So pretty much that's it. That's what I wanted to tell you. Giveaway going live as soon as this video is published, so you'll find the link in the description below, and I'll leave a link to a video where I'm showing you what this device does. So if you don't know what this device can do, you will find the link in the description below where you can watch the video, how this works, and etc. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this news episode 1, 2, or whatever, and I'll see you in the next video where I'm testing apps and games on various Android devices. Goodbye.